depends upon macroscopic properties of the system. First, that is isothermal is related to the thermodynamic property, that is the temperature. For isothermal process, the temperature of the system remains constant throughout the change is called isothermal process. For example, boiling point, melting point, freezing point, and all chemical reactions takes place at constant temperature are called isothermal process. That is a reduction of mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics for isothermal process, that is Q is equal to minus W or Q is equal to plus W, that is the Q is amount of heat is supplied to the system. Then part of heat is used by the system to increase the internal energy. That internal energy is denoted by the letter capital U, and internal energy is directly proportional to the temperature. But for isothermal process, the temperature of the system remains constant, that is delta T is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 0. Therefore, for isothermal process, change in internal energy is also 0. Hence, amount of heat is completely or quantitatively converted into work done by the system if it is negative. If W is positive, then surrounding perform the work on the system, that is the first process, isothermal process. Now second process, isobaric process. Isobaric process. For isobaric process, now look towards, this is a cylinder having weightless and frictionless piston. Weightless and frictionless piston in which amount of gas is considered as a system is enclosed in. Before supplying the heat, external pressure and system pressure or internal pressure or gas pressure, both are equal. That is, before supplying the heat, before the observation of action of heat or action of energy, that is the thermodynamic study, the cylinder having cross-section area A and having weightless and frictionless piston, before supplying the heat, the piston is in unmovable form because external pressure is equal to system pressure. External pressure is also considered as a constant pressure, that is constant pressure is equal to internal pressure, or it is also considered as atmospheric pressure, that is atmospheric pressure is equal to gas pressure. Therefore, before supplying the heat, piston is unmovable. थोडक्यात या सिलेंडर मध्ये काही प्रमाणात अमाउंट ऑफ गॅस एनक्लोज केला. त्यावेळी सुरुवातीला हीट देण्यापूर्वी, एनर्जी देण्यापूर्वी हा पिस्टन अनमूव्हेबल फॉर्म आहे. कारण वरून जेवढा दाब आहे, एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, वरून जेवढं कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर आहे, वरून जेवढा ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर आहे, म्हणजे वरून जेवढं सराउंडिंग प्रेशर आहे तेवढंच सिस्टम प्रेशर आहे, तेवढंच इंटरनल प्रेशर आहे, तेवढंच गॅस प्रेशर आहे. म्हणून पिस्टन सुरुवातीला अनमूव्हेबल. Now, whenever we supply the quantitative Q amount of heat, in every Q amount of heat is supplied to the system, then part of heat is used by the system, that is internal energy increases from U1 to U2. Part of heat is used to increase the temperature of the system, that is a T1 to T2. Then this gas molecule undergoes expansion, that is size of gaseous molecule is increases. Therefore, that gaseous molecule exert force of on wall of container equally, but three walls are unmovable form. Therefore, total force per unit area is acting on a piston, and that piston moves in upward direction against external pressure, against constant pressure, against atmospheric pressure, or against surrounding pressure. That is, whenever the Q amount of heat is supplied to the system, then part of heat is used by the system to increase the internal energy, that is change in internal energy U1 to U2, increase the temperature of the system T1 to T2. But part of heat is used by the gaseous molecule. It undergoes expansion. Then gaseous molecule exerted force equally on all wall of container. Total force is acting on the piston. Therefore, piston moves in upward direction against external pressure or constant pressure or atmospheric pressure or surrounding pressure. That is, pressure is equal to force per unit area. Force per unit area, that is equal to pressure. Therefore, P1 pressure is converted into P2. That is the indirectly increase in internal pressure, increase in system pressure, increase in gas pressure. That is, simultaneously equal amount of external pressure is decreases. Equally decrease in constant pressure, decrease in atmospheric pressure, or decrease in surrounding pressure. That is the loss or decrease in external pressure denoted by negative sign, that is P external, after expansion of gas. But this Q amount of heat is quantitative. जेवढं म्हणून प्रेशर वाढलं तेवढ्याच प्रमाणात पिस्टन वर गेला आणि पुन्हा पिस्टन अनमूव्हेबल फॉर्म मध्ये राहिला. कारण जेवढं प्रेशर वाढलेलं आहे, जेवढ्या क्वांटिटीचं एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर कमी झालेलं आहे, जेवढ्या क्वांटिटीचं इंटरनल प्रेशर वाढलेलं आहे, तेवढ्याच प्रमाणात तितक्याच क्वांटिटीमध्ये पिस्टन वर गेला. म्हणजे सिस्टीमनं वर्क केलं, पुन्हा वर्क केलं सराउंडिंग अगेन्स्ट एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, आणि पुन्हा पिस्टन अनमूव्हेबल फॉर्म मध्ये राहिला. हा सुरुवातीचा आतला गॅस एनक्लोज असणारा गॅसचा व्हॉल्यूम होता. पिस्टन वर गेल्यानंतर त्याचा व्हॉल्यूम V2 झाला, म्हणजे चेंज इन व्हॉल्यूम V2. मात्र प्रेशर वाढलं, वाढलेल्या प्रेशरनं काय केलं, पिस्टनला वर ढकललं आणि पुन्हा स्थिर राहिला, पुन्हा कॉन्स्टंट राहिला. कारण वाढलेलं प्रेशर पुन्हा कमी झालं. इनडायरेक्टली फक्त आतला काय वाढला, व्हॉल्यूम. म्हणजे इंटरनल प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, सिस्टीम प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू सराउंडिंग प्रेशर. फक्त इनक्रीज चेंज इन काय झाला, व्हॉल्यूम. दॅट इज चेंज इन व्हॉल्यूम डिनोटेड बाय V2 minus V1, that is volume of final state minus volume of initial state, that is P external into change in volume, that is system perform the work of expansion. Finally, after supplying the quantity of heat, finally pressure remains constant by completing the work on surrounding due to decrease in external pressure. Hence, throughout the change, Further piston remains constant, that is both pressures are equal. Therefore, isobaric process pressure remains constant. Hence, exact definition of isobaric process, the pressure of the system remains constant throughout the chain, is called isobaric process. All chemical reactions takes place at constant temperature, constant pressure. All chemical reactions takes place at constant pressure, that is the 1 atmospheric pressure written on the arrow, that is constant pressure. Under 2 atmospheric pressure, it is constant pressure. Only one value of pressure is written on the arrow as a chemical condition is considered as isobaric process chemical reaction. That is the first of thermodynamics mathematical equation for isobaric process. Delta U is equal to Q. That is part of heat is used by the system to change in internal energy, and part of heat is used by the system to perform the work. Therefore, first of thermodynamics mathematical equation, isobaric process, delta U is equal to Q plus W, or delta U is equal to Q plus P delta V, or delta U is equal to Q plus P into V2 minus V1. This is the first of thermodynamics mathematical equation for isobaric process. Third process related to the thermodynamic property, that is isochoric process. For isochoric process, see, isochoric process, according to the 11th standard syllabus, that is the Avogadro's law. Statement of Avogadro's law, that is equal volume of all gases contains same number of molecules. That is, contains same number of molecules. For example, consider that is the combustion of carbon. Carbon, that is coal, it is a solid in state. For combustion, oxygen molecules are required. Carbon reacts with oxygen, undergoes combustion, it is converted into carbon dioxide gaseous state. This is the initial state, that is in a chemical reaction, reactant act as initial state and products act as a final state. According to the Avogadro's law, for all gases, equal molecules having same volume, कोणताही गॅस असू दे, जर त्याची मॉलिक्यूलची संख्या सारखी असेल तर त्याचा व्हॉल्यूम सारखा असतो अंडर स्टँडर्ड प्रेशर अँड टेम्परेचर, अंडर सिमिलर कंडिशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर अँड प्रेशर. Equal volumes of all gases contain same number of molecules when it is measured under similar condition or standard condition of temperature and pressure. Now, according to the thermodynamics, study of only macroscopic change in properties, it is related to only gaseous state. If a solid state and liquid state, that molecule is considered as approximately equal to 0, because in a solid or liquid state, action of heat, action of energy, it shows microscopic change. म्हणजे कमी प्रमाणात चेंज दिसतो, निग्लिजिबल चेंज येतो. कोणत्या स्टेटला? सॉलिड अँड लिक्विड. म्हणून थर्मोडायनॅमिक्स नुसार सॉलिड आणि लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूलला मायक्रोस्कोपिक चेंज होतो, मायक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टीज बदलतात, म्हणून त्याला आपण कन्सिडर केलेला आहे मॉलिक्यूलची संख्या 0. आता ऑक्सिजनचा मॉलिक्यूल 1 आहे. इनिशियल नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ रिएक्टंट इन अ गॅसियस स्टेट इज इक्वल टू 1. Final state, that is formation of carbon dioxide, it is also gaseous in a state, it is a formation of product, it is a final reactant is denoted by N1, and final state, that is gaseous moles of product, it is denoted by N2. But N1 is equal to N2, therefore according to the Avogadro's law, V1 is equal to V2. For isochoric process, delta T V2 minus V1, that is delta N is equal to N2 minus N1. If molecules are same, then volume of initial state is equal to final state, therefore change in volume is equal to 0. Change in number of moles of product and reactant is also 0. According to the first law of thermodynamics, work done is equal to P external into delta V. But delta V is 0, therefore work done is 0. For which process? Isochoric process. Therefore, according to the thermodynamic property, that is volume, isochoric process is the volume of the system remains constant throughout the change, is called isochoric process. Isochoric process cannot perform the work because change in volume is equal to 0. Therefore, P delta V is equal to 0. For isochoric process, mathematical equation for first law of thermodynamics, that is amount of heat is supplied to the system, is completely or quantitatively converted into change in internal energy. Then for MCQ, which of the following reaction is isochoric process? This is delta N value is equal to 0. It is isochoric process. Now, carbon solid अधिक 2H2 hydrogen formation of methane molecule. Methane is in a gaseous state. 1 mole of product and 2 moles of reactant. That is N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 1. Therefore, delta N is equal to minus 1. हा पिस्टन आहे, हा सिलेंडर आहे, त्याच्यावर हा पिस्टन आहे, त्याच्यात कार्बन घेतला, 2 हायड्रोजनचे मॉलिक्यूल घेतले, म्हणजे 2 मॉलिक्यूलचा व्हॉल्यूम इतका आहे. रिएक्शन सुरू झाली त्यावेळी आपल्याला मिथेनचा 1 मॉलिक्यूल तयार झाला, म्हणजे 2 मॉलिक्यूलचा व्हॉल्यूम इतका आहे. आणि ॲव्होगाड्रोज लॉ नुसार 1 मॉलिक्यूल तयार होत असेल तर 1 व्हॉल्यूम, म्हणजे व्हॉल्यूम कमी झाला, म्हणजे गॅसचं कॉम्प्रेशन झालं. डिक्रीज इन मोल्स ऑफ प्रॉडक्ट और मोल्स ऑफ प्रॉडक्ट इज लेस दॅन रिएक्टंट और मोल्स ऑफ रिएक्टंट इज ग्रेटर दॅन प्रॉडक्ट. डेल्टा एन इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव्ह. डेल्टा एन इज इक्वल टू delta N, that is change in number of moles of product and reactant. It is also considered as change in volume. That is V2 minus V1 is equal to negative P external into delta V delta T negative P external. That is W is equal to positive. When positive, if N1 is greater than N2, delta N is equal to negative. Then W is positive, म्हणजे 2 मॉलिक्यूलचा व्हॉल्यूम इतका होता, 1 मॉलिक्यूल रिएक्शन मध्ये तयार झाला, म्हणजे व्हॉल्यूम कमी झाला, म्हणजे गॅसचं कॉम्प्रेशन झालं, म्हणजे वरून दाब वाढला, म्हणजे सराउंडिंगनं वर्क केलं. इफ सराउंडिंग परफॉर्म दी वर्क ऑन सिस्टम, then work done is positive because a decrease in volume of the system or increase in external pressure or increase in atmospheric pressure or increase in surrounding pressure. That is compression type of work. That is, there are 2 types of work. If surrounding perform the work on a system, then compression type of work done sign is positive. For isochoric process, the volume of the system remains constant throughout the change is called isochoric process. Isochoric process cannot perform the work. That is, amount of heat is quantitatively converted into change in internal energy. For chemical reaction, moles of reactant is exactly equal to moles of product. Only gaseous state molecules are counted or considered if liquid or solid state molecules are present in the reaction. They are considered as approximately zero value because action of heat or action of energy on liquid or solid state is a microscopic change. Therefore, this reaction is isochoric process. This reaction is not isochoric process. This reaction, for this reaction, work done value is equal to 0. For this reaction, work done value is positive. Now, that is the formation of water H2 gas अधिक O2 gas. Two molecules of hydrogen reacts with one molecule of oxygen and formation of two molecules of steam. That is the two molecules of water, two molecules of hydrogen, one molecule of oxygen, 2 plus 1, that is N1 is equal to 3 and N2 is equal to 1. That is N2 is less than 1. N2 is less than N1, or moles of product is less than moles of reactant, or volume of final state is less than volume of initial state. Then compression takes place. That is the work done. That is work done is compression type. Therefore, surrounding perform the work on system. Therefore, W value is positive for this reaction. Now, that is the N2 plus 3H2 formation of ammonia, nitrogen 1 molecule, hydrogen 3 molecule formation of 2NH3, that is 2 molecules. N1 is equal to 4 molecules, N2 is equal to 2 molecules. That is the volume of final state is less than volume of initial state. If moles of product is less than moles of reactant, that is gaseous mole, or volume of final state is less than volume of initial state. Then compression type of work. Then surrounding perform the work on system. Therefore, W is positive. Therefore, according to the 4 reactions, that is the MCQ, A, B, C and D. The question may be arises, which of the following reaction cannot perform the work? That is the moles of gaseous moles of reactant is exactly equal to gaseous moles of product. Then there is no change in volume. V1 is equal to V2, N1 is equal to N2, delta N is equal to 0, delta V is equal to 0. Therefore, P delta V is equal to 0. That is the first reaction, chemical reaction. It is related to isochoric process. It cannot perform the work. Only heat is used by the system to increase the internal energy. Remaining 3 reactions in which moles of product, gaseous moles of product is less than gaseous moles of reactant, or volume of final state is always less than volume of initial state. That is the compression takes place. Therefore, surrounding perform the work on system. It is compressive type of work, increase in external pressure. Therefore, sign of work done is positive. That is, the system perform the compressive type of work. And this reaction cannot perform the work. Therefore, first reaction is isochoric process. It cannot perform the work. Its work value is 0. Mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics for this reaction, that is Q delta U is equal to Q. Now another reaction, that is the decomposition of calcium carbonate. चुनखडा घेतला कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट सॉलिड स्टेट आहे. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स मध्ये सॉलिड आणि लिक्विड स्टेटचा चेंज बाय द ऍक्शन ऑफ हीट बाय द ऍक्शन ऑफ एनर्जी हा मायक्रोस्कोपिक चेंज होतो, म्हणून त्या मॉलिक्यूलला कन्सिडर केलं नाही, काउंट करायचं नाही त्या मॉलिक्यूलची संख्या 0. Then after decomposition it gives calcium oxide as a solid molecule considered as 0 with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Therefore N1 is equal to 0, that is V1 is equal to 0, N2 is equal to 1, V2 is equal to 1, therefore delta V is equal to positive. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला मॉलिक्यूल शून्य होते असं होतं सिलेंडर आणि पिस्टन. रिॲक्शन झाल्यानंतर एक मॉलिक्यूल तयार झाला, म्हणजे आत गॅसचा एक मॉलिक्यूल तयार झाला, त्या गॅसचं एक्सपान्शन झालं आणि पिस्टन वर गेला, म्हणजे आतल्या सिस्टीमचं एक्सपान्शनमुळं पिस्टन वर गेला. कुणाच्या विरोधात वर गेला? एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, सराउंडिंग प्रेशर, कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर ऑफ ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी moles of product or volume of final state is greater than volume of initial state or volume of molecules of initial state, then system perform the work on surrounding. That is, change in external pressure is negative, that is P delta V is equal to orbital negative. If W is negative, then it perform expansion type of work. That reaction perform the work on surrounding pressure, atmospheric pressure, constant pressure. Therefore for isochoric process volume remains constant. Now easy, we write the different reactions, then we can see that is the combustion of methane CH4, that is adik 2O2. This is the gas, this is gaseous state, one molecule, two molecule, N1 is equal to 3 molecule. Formation of carbon dioxide CO2G, one molecule. If H2O in a liquid state form, then this is considered as a 0. Therefore N2 is equal to 1. N2 1, N1 3. Therefore delta N is equal to minus 2. If delta N is negative, then delta V negative. Therefore W is equal to positive. That is the decrease in number of moles of product, or more gaseous moles of product is less than gaseous moles of reactant, or volume of final state is less than volume of initial state. Therefore decrease in internal pressure, exactly same quantity of external pressure is increases, gas undergoes compression. Therefore this reaction shows compressive type of work. The sign of orbital value is positive. Therefore combustion of methane shows compressive type of work. In this reaction, volume of reactant or moles of reactant is not exactly equal to moles of product. Therefore it is not isochoric process. For isochoric process, that is, the volume of the system remains constant throughout. The change is called isochoric process. Last, that is the next process, adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, we considered as a, that is a balloon made up of a rubber, in which that balloon, that is a gas, considered as a system. Rubber is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Whenever we play with that balloon, then gas molecule present in the balloon, they collide or collision with each other. म्हणजे फुग्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या गॅसचे मॉलिक्यूल एकमेकावर आपटतात. आपटल्यानंतर त्यांचं स्पीड कमी होतं, म्हणजे त्यांची काय कमी झाली? कायनेटिक एनर्जी. म्हणजे कायनेटिक एनर्जी त्या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये होती, म्हणजे त्या मॉलिक्यूलकडे स्वतःची कोणती एनर्जी होती? इंटरनल एनर्जी. दॅट इज Q1 is equal to Ke1 plus Pe स्वतःची कायनेटिक एनर्जी होती, पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी होती आणि अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी. याला आपण दी टोटल एनर्जी असोसिएटेड विथ द सिस्टीम, विथ द मॅटर, विथ द मॉलिक्यूल इज कॉल्ड इंटरनल एनर्जी. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला त्या बलूनमधल्या गॅसियस स्टेट मॉलिक्यूलकडे स्वतःची इंटरनल एनर्जी होती. आपण खेळता खेळता त्याचे मॉलिक्यूल एकमेकावर आपटले. लॉस इन कायनेटिक एनर्जी, डिक्रीज इन कायनेटिक एनर्जी म्हणजेच डिक्रीज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी. म्हणजे डेल्टा यू म्हटलं U2 मायनस U1. कन्सिडर इनिशियल इंटरनल एनर्जी इज 10 kJ per mole and final internal energy is 5 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, change in internal energy is minus 5 kilojoule per mole. म्हणजे रबरी फुगा घेतला, त्याच्यात गॅसियस मॉलिक्यूल घेतले, खेळताना त्या गॅसियस स्टेटच्या मॉलिक्यूलची कोल्युजन झालं. कोल्युजन नंतर लॉस इन कायनेटिक एनर्जी, लॉस इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, म्हणजे इनडायरेक्टली डिक्रीज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी. डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह. आपटल्यानंतर फुगा फुटतो, म्हणजे त्या फुग्यावर काय झालं म्हटलं आपण, वर्क झालं. कशामुळे, ड्यू टू डिक्रीज ऑर लॉस इन इंटरनल एनर्जी. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी एखाद्या सिस्टीमला इन्सुलेट केलेला आहे, बाहेरून कव्हर टाकलेलं आहे रबराचं बॅड कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल घ्या, फिरत्या गाडीचं चाक घ्या, त्या चाकाच्या इनर टायर ट्यूब आहे आणि त्या इनर टायर ट्यूब मध्ये गॅसियस मॉलिक्यूल आहे. बाहेरचं आवरण म्हणजे बॅड कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल आहे, त्याच्यात आत हीट जात पण नाही आणि आतली हीट बाहेर पण येत नाही ड्यू टू इन्सुलेटिंग विथ बॅड कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल. मग फिरता फिरता आपणाला एखाद्या खड्ड्यात त्या गॅस मॉलिक्यूलला झर्क लागला, तर गॅसियस मॉलिक्यूल अंडरगोज कोल्युजन विथ ईच अदर ड्यू टू लॉस इन कायनेटिक एनर्जी, डिक्रीज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, डिक्रीज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी. That internal energy decreases the temperature of the system, because internal energy is function of temperature. It is directly proportional to temperature. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी इंटरनल एनर्जी डिक्रीज झाली त्यावेळी गॅसचं टेम्परेचर कमी झालं. मग ते कमी झालेलं टेम्परेचर, कमी झालेली इंटरनल एनर्जी काय म्हणून वापरली, सिस्टीम परफॉर्म दी वर्क. दॅट इज डिक्रीज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी इज यूज्ड बाय द सिस्टीम परफॉर्म दी वर्क ऑन वॉल ऑफ कंटेनर. म्हणजे बिगर टायर ट्यूब वर, फुग्याच्या वॉलवर फुगा टायर ट्यूब फुटतो, दॅट इज परफॉर्म दी वर्क. कारण टायर आणि फुगा रबराचे, आत हीट गेली नाही तरी आतली हीट बाहेर आली नाही. म्हणजे थ्रूआउट द चेंज मध्ये काय कॉन्स्टंट राहिली, हीट. मात्र सिस्टीमनं काय परफॉर्म केलं, वर्क. कोणतं वर्क, वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन. एक वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन दॅट इज डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू मायनस W for adiabatic process. The definition of adiabatic process is the heat of the system remains constant throughout the chain, is called adiabatic process. It's called adiabatic process. Now, all exothermic and endothermic reactions are adiabatic processes. All exothermic and endothermic processes are adiabatic process. That is, for adiabatic process Q is equal to 0. That is, amount of heat cannot enter or leave the system because it is coated by insulator or bad conducting material. For example, all exothermic and endothermic reactions are adiabatic process because heat evolved or absorbed, it is associated with the system. Adiabatic process. That is, we completed thermodynamics part. System, surrounding, types of the system, open system, closed system, isolated system process, types of process A, B, C and D. That is isothermal, isobaric, isochoric and adiabatic process. And also we related heat that is which the capacity to do work is called heat. Then process, that is a transformation of a system from initial state to final state, is called process, or change in physical, chemical and macroscopic properties of the system. These macroscopic properties, that is the pressure, enthalpy, volume, temperature, internal energy, heat, work done, these are common thermodynamic properties. These properties are divided as a state of function or path of function. Which macroscopic properties of the system, which thermodynamic properties of the system is called state function. Now consider that is the 10th standard with the 10th standard student have got 99% marks in a 10th standard. It is initial state. म्हणजे 10वी पास झालेला विद्यार्थी कन्सिडर करा, त्याला 99% मार्क आहे. म्हणजे त्याचे इनिशियल मार्क आहेत 99%. तो 12वी पास होणार, जास्तीत जास्त त्याच्यामध्ये चेंज किती टक्के होणार? 100%. म्हणजे 100% ही फायनल स्टेट. मग आता सांगा, त्या 99% विद्यार्थ्यांना जर चांगला कॉलेजला ऍडमिशन घेतलं, म्हणजे पहिला मार्ग वापरला, त्या मार्गानुसार त्याच्या चांगल्या कॉलेजनुसार चेंज झाला, 99 to 100%, that is delta is equal to 1. चांगलं कॉलेज वापरलं म्हणून डेल्टा 1 आला. चांगला क्लास लावला तरी सुद्धा 99 चे 100च झाले. म्हणजे दुसरा मार्ग वापरला तरी डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू 1 आली. तिसरा मार्ग वापरला, सेल्फ स्टडी केला तरी डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू 1च. म्हणजे पाथ थर्ड वापरला तरी डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू मध्ये काही बदल झाला नाही. म्हणजे डेल्टा चेंज इन मॅक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टी, चेंज इन थर्मोडायनॅमिक प्रॉपर्टीज are depends upon value of final state and value of initial state. It is not depends upon path. They are called state functions. Which properties are called state functions? The properties which are independent to path between initial state and final state are called state function. म्हणजे ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज सिस्टीमनं फॉलो केलेल्या पाथवर अवलंबून नाही. पाथ कशावर डिपेंड्स आहे? डिपेंड्स दिस चेंज, डेल्टा व्हॅल्यू डिपेंड ऑन दी सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ फायनल स्टेट अँड इनिशियल स्टेट. म्हणजे या मॅक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टीज बदला चेंज, या थर्मोडायनॅमिक प्रॉपर्टीज बदला चेंज हा इनिशियल व्हॅल्यू अँड फायनल व्हॅल्यूवर डिपेंड आहे. मात्र इंडिपेंडेंट टू पाथ फॉलोड बाय इट आर कॉल्ड स्टेट फंक्शन. Then exact definition of state function, that is change in thermodynamic properties is independent to path between initial state and final state are called state function. Then another type, that is path function. पाथ फंक्शन म्हणजे अगदी साधं उदाहरण आहे. बिरबलाची कथा. भांड घ्या, इथं बर्नरवर भात करायला ठेवला इथं, आणि बिरबलच्या कथेनुसार इथं भांड ठेवलं, इथं भात करायला ठेवला आणि इथून हीट सप्लाय केली. कोणता भात व्हायला वेळ लागणार आहे? इकडच्या बाजूला. म्हणजे हा पाथ वेगळा, हा पाथ फर्स्ट म्हटलं. इथलं काम लवकर होणार, इथलं वेळानं होणार. म्हणजे वर्क डन आणि हीट upon a path. Then work done, and heat are path function. Then path function are the thermodynamic properties which are depends upon path are called path function. State function, thermodynamic properties depends on value of initial state and value of final state but independent to path followed by it are called state of function. Only work done and heat are path function. Then pressure, volume, temperature, enthalpy, internal energy are state functions. Now, these macroscopic properties are further classified as extensive properties and intensive properties. We studied these types of properties, that is extensive and intensive.